So today I'm going to ask you to have a look at colleges. So by now you should have written your CV, filled in an application form and written a personal statement. We're going to be looking at Southend City College and BMet College because you guys all said, town was better for you. So I'm going to be showing you what is the application process, but I will then be asking you to do something about it. So let's start with Southend City College. So when I do a search and I click on the link, this is what I got. So I decided that I wanted to do a course in applied psychology, which is an equivalent of A-level. Level 3 equals A-level. So when you click on View Course, it's going to take you to a new window. So it's going to ask you to create an account, except if you got it. I would advise you to make notes of the email and password that you are creating. Once you create the account, it's going to ask you for your title, your surname, your email, your password, first name, date of birth, and a contact number. Right, so I've blanked that, guys, because I needed to create a thing. So when you press continue, it will send you an email to verify your email address and to let you know if you were successful or not. So then you need to click on continue. So you will then see something on the left hand side. It will say homepage, personal details, qualifications and evidence. So we're going to start with the personal detail. This is what they are going to start asking you. Your option 1, 2, 3 and 4. You usually, when you study A-levels, you usually have 4 subjects. So you can choose just 3, just 2, but usually you would choose 4. Then please fill in your personal detail. We will then move on to your address. So in the UK, you can find your address by simply entering your postcode. And then all you've got to do is find the right house number. Please enter your email and your mobile number once again. Okay, so here it's going to ask you about your school. Same again, it's going to ask you if you have any learning difficulty. I would put EAL here. You do not have any healthcare plan, but EAL is something that they need to do. In the data protection, you will need to agree. If not, you will not be able to carry on. And then please confirm your application at the end of the page. Okay, so now we are moving on to qualifications. So they are going to ask you what qualifications or what subject you're doing at GCSE. They're going to ask you between your predicted and your actual grade when it was achieved. And then they might ask you to upload some evidence. Now, this is where you need to contact us if this is the case. It is the same for the residency evidence that I've mentioned in my first lesson. In the event you were stuck and you're not too sure what to do, contact me or Mr. Ahmed or Miss Savage and we will answer your question. Okay, so now exactly the same with the BMet website. So first things first is click on course and apprenticeship and then choose the courses for 16 to 19. Then you've got a choice of what you could be doing. So have a browse, have a look and see what's in there for you. So this time I've chosen business A-level. So when you click on course detail, it gives me a description of the course. So remember that description can help you write your personal statement. Then you've got 2 choices here, inquire, which means ask question, or apply. It also gives you the code of the course. I would make note of this somewhere. So same again, I need to apply online. I do not have an account, so I need to create an account for them. You can also add another course. So here you see where it's a bit different from the Southend City College website. Once you've created your account, you will see your application progress with green, amber, and red. So have a look. You can save and go back to it as many times as you want. Nothing is set in stone. Okay, so here again, personal details, and then how to contact you. As you can see, each time I fill in something, my application progress is saved. Okay, so your status, we've spoken about this. If you press no for the UK residency, it will ask you for your date of entry. They might ask you for your passport, your visas, your this and your that. In terms of the learning difficulty, write down that you are EAL. That might actually be useful. Here's our current school. You know, it will be a scroll down, and at that stage, you will be asked to save and or go to your next step, which are the qualifications. Okay, so qualifications, they have pre-filled English language, English literature, mathematics, and science. Guys, if you are not happy with your English lit grade, simply click on the cross. English literature is not a requirement for college. So all you will need to do is to write the year, your grade, and the status is between predicted and actual. Then you can actually add qualifications. So here I've given you some examples there. Think about everything. Do not forget anything. I didn't have enough room to write all of the others, but you get the gist. Now here, as you can see, they're not asking you for a personal statement, but they're asking you to write about your hobbies, your ambitions, and your achievement. Everything I asked you to write in your personal statement are there. They also say that if you have a CV, you can upload it. So if you want to upload your CV, please do so. If you want to upload your personal statement, please do so as well. Now, this is the end, and they will ask you to save, and then next step is the review and submit. So review and submit is when you double check, triple check that the information you have written down is correct. And when you press that submit button, this is when the information go to college. Before any of this, it was just there for you and they did not look at it. So your task now, I need you to go on Southend City College and BMET websites. I need you to choose at least 3 subjects that you would like to study next year. I need you to create an account for both colleges, and I need you to upload a picture of your confirmation email and the course that you have chosen. Guys, have fun, and if there's anything I can do to help, please contact me.